G'day guys, this is Wayne and Judy from Down Under. This rather incredible little machine is an Owen Robinson. There you can see the name there, Robinson. We believe it's from Kettering, England. Quite an amazing little machine. We tracked down a patent for it and we believe it's round about 1868 and believe it's a backstrapping machine or a galoshing machine, whatever that is. So it's a boat shuttle machine. As you can see, we've got the tensioner here. It's actually really quite a novel little machine. So you've got the old leaf tension. And the unusual part about this is this has a roller feed which goes down. So the roller feed, and I'll try and get this going, and you can actually see how this feeds down the arm. So it probably would be ideal for backstrapping, like the back straps of boots. And we don't know what galoshing it is. So you can see here's the shuttle here. It actually clips in behind this little thing there. So you've got a little hook at the back, clips into that. Extremely simplistic, but what a great little machine. So this one here is the Robinson, we believe 1868 back strapping machine. Nothing fancy, but I feel we're very, very gifted to have it. So this is Wayne and Judy signing off.